Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Roblox games on mobile. So first is to make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account, but we cannot make a game here. We want to go and open another browser from our phone. So let's search for roblox.com, and then you'll be headed to this page wherein you can tap on continue in browser. Even if you are using your phone, just log in by writing here your username or your email and phone address and your password. Then you'll be heading to this one and tap create. Now you'll be able to see that Roblox Studio is available on Windows and Mac, and you have to download it. However, there's another way for you to make a game using your mobile. So we have to switch our device to a desktop style. So tap this arrow button in the upper right corner so you can see this red, and then go on and tap desktop site, and then you will be seeing like this one on your end, and then just tap start creating if you wish to start creating. And then in here you can see now in the desktop mode you can now create a new game. So you can just choose any themes you wish in here. So for example, this is the theme that I want to use, and then tap create game. So once you create a game, just wait for a bit, and then it will reflect on your account right away. So you can just tap on that, and you can also change your name and also its settings, whether you want to set it as private or in public. And then once you are all done, then you can now tap the word in blue, which is saved. Now if you want to test that game, you just tap on the name that you have created or the game that you have just created, and then you can now start playing here. So this is how it looks like from your phone, and let's see if it's working. Okay, so I can see that it is now working. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.